Hey everyone, welcome back to Athletics. Today we're going to work through a beginner level coding project in R, creating a custom visualization of NHL Team Colors using real data from the fastRhockey package. If you're just starting out with R, this is the perfect project to practice data cleaning, reshaping, and plotting, and the end result will be a great addition to your portfolio. If you're interested in learning R for data science, make sure to check out the athletics course Breezing Through the Tidyverse. It's taught by Tidyverse expert Dr. Paul Sabin, and it's designed to take you from a complete beginner to an intermediate R programmer. The course includes 20 modules, live coding examples, access to Athletics in-browser virtual machine so you don't have to download any software, and a final project on NFL draft analysis. So here's the plan for today's video. We're going to pull NHL team data from ESPN, extract each team's primary and alternate colors, and then build a full color chart using ggplot2. Let's get started. I'm going to be using RStudio for this project. If you need help setting up R and RStudio on your computer, check out the video linked in the description. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is load in our packages. We're going to be using Tidyverse for data manipulation and plotting, and fastRhockey for accessing NHL team data. If you haven't already installed these packages, you will need to do that first. So before you load in your packages, you can run the code install packages Tidyverse and install packages fastRhockey, and you'll run these two lines of code before you load your packages. Next, let's get our data. The ESPN NHL function gives us a tidy data set of all NHL teams, including their names, colors, and logos. Alright, so let's just take a quick look at the structure of this data set. So we have columns like display name, mascot, nickname, team, color, and for this project, we'll just be focusing on the team name and their two colors. Alright, let's come back to our code here, and now we're going to clean and prep our data. We'll just keep the team name and the two color columns. So here's the team name, which is display name, color, and alternate color. And we need to make sure that the colors are properly formatted for use in plots. Hex color codes need a hashtag or pound symbol, whatever you call this, at the front to be valid in ggplot2. And without it, your plot is going to throw an error. Next, we're going to reshape the data using pivot longer from tidyr. This gives us one row per color per team, which is exactly what ggplot2 likes to work with. This is a pretty common tidy data trick, turning wide data into long format so it's easier to plot and group. The second piece of this block of code was used to order our data in alphabetical order by team name. So before we ran this block of code, the team names might have been in some random order or in reverse alphabetical order. So I just wanted to sort them in alphabetical order to make sure that our plot looks clean and organized. This trick works by setting the factor levels in reverse because ggplot2 draws from bottom to top by default. Alright, now that our data is set up correctly, it's time for the fun part. We're going to plot the team names along with their colors. We're going to use geom_tile to create horizontal code blocks for each team and color type. So let's go ahead and run this last block of code, and here is your finished product. We have each team listed in alphabetical order along with their primary and alternate colors. Just a nice, simple, shareable project to help you get started learning R. That's all I have for you today. In just a few steps, you learned how to pull real-world data with fastRhockey, clean and reshape it with Tidyverse tools, and visualize it with ggplot2. If you wanted to take this a step further, you could add team logos, sort by division, or even build an interactive version in Shiny. If you give this project a try, be sure to post your project on LinkedIn and tag Athletics so we can hype you up in the comments. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly R projects with sports data. Thanks for watching.